Hey there, future psychologists! Ever wonder how your brain processes information? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology is all about understanding how we think, learn, and remember. It explores the mental processes that influence our behavior. Think of it as the study of how our minds work. One key concept is perception. It's how we interpret sensory information. For instance, when you see an apple, your brain processes its color, shape, and texture to recognize it as an apple. Cool, right? Next up is memory. Did you know there are different types of memory? Short-term memory holds information for a few seconds, like remembering a phone number just long enough to dial it. Long-term memory, on the other hand, stores information for years, like your first day of school. Attention is another crucial aspect. It's how we focus on certain information while ignoring others. Ever tried to study with background noise? That's your attention at work, filtering out distractions. Problem solving is also a key area. Our brains use various strategies to solve problems, from trial and error to more complex methods like algorithms. It's like being a detective, but for everyday challenges. And let's not forget about language. Cognitive psychology examines how we understand, produce, and acquire language. It's amazing how our brains can turn sounds into meaningful sentences. So why does this matter? Understanding cognitive psychology can help us improve learning techniques, enhance memory, and even develop better AI. Plus, it's just super interesting to know how our minds work. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more brainy content. See you next time.